Good morning students. Today I want to complete this chapter. Only two topics are remaining. First one is area of a triangle and second one is area of a quadrilateral. So coming to the first point, area of a triangle. How can you find the area of a triangle? Suppose in a coordinate plane, given the 3 points are like this. Every triangle has 3 vertices. Suppose given first point is origin 0, 0. Second point is on the x-axis and third point is on the y-axis. It makes, so all the points on x-axis are x, 0. All the points on y-axis are 0, y. It makes a right angle triangle. So the 3 points are given like this. First one is origin, second one is on the x-axis, third one is on the y-axis. So how can you find the area of this triangle? So it is very easy to calculate the area. Here it is the base and it is the height of the triangle. What is the area of a triangle formula? Half b into h. By using this formula, we can easily find out the area. Suppose it is 5 units and it is 3 units. So half into 5 into 3. So 15 by 2 square units. 15 by 2 square units. So it is the first model of the area of a triangle. If the points are, it is the first case. Second case, if the 3 points are given like this, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. If the 3 points are given like this, how can you find an area of a triangle? So by using this formula, area of a triangle ABC, area of a triangle ABC equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula for area of triangle ABC. Half modulus of, here we are taking the symbol modulus. Why we are taking here modulus symbol? What is the purpose of modulus? To get the positive values. So area should be always positive. So for this one we are taking the modulus symbol. So half into x1 into half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3. It is very easy to remember. First one x coordinates, second one difference of y coordinates, again the second term and again the third term. So observe here, once observe here. Here we are taking the numbers 1, 2, 3 in cyclic order. It is very easy to remember the formula. 1, 2, 3 here, 2, 3, 1, again 3, 1, 2. Here the numbers are in cyclic order. So if you are remember the formula, you can easily solve the problems. So how can you find this? For example, the points are like this: 1 minus 2, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Find the area of this triangle. If the coordinates are like this, find the area of a triangle. So apply this formula. Half area of the triangle is also called delta. Delta is denoted by the symbol of area of a triangle. So here half modulus of, here x1 value it is x1, x2, all the first coordinates x1, x2, x3, second coordinates y1, y2, y3. Simply substitute the values in this formula. So here x1 value 1, y2 minus y3 3 minus 5 plus x2 value 2, y3 minus y1 5. Here also minus symbol is there. So minus of minus 2 plus x3 value 4, y1 minus y2 minus 2, y2 value 3. Substitute all the values in this formula. Finally you got the, after simplification, finally you got the answer. So half modulus of, here 3 minus 5 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus, 5 plus 2 7, 7 2s are 14, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 4 into minus 5 minus 20. So simplify it. 14 minus 22, 2, 20, 22, 14 minus 22. So here we got the minus value in modulus symbol. So it is minus 8. So what is the purpose of modulus symbol? To get the positive value. So half into 8 only. So here 4 square units. The area of the triangle ABC is 4 square units. So it is the process to find the area of a triangle ABC. Okay. So we already discussed about the collinearity of points. If 3 points are collinear, what are the conditions are applicable here? If 3 points are collinear, we already discussed this matter in previous section. How can you say about the if A comma B comma C are collinear? What are the conditions for collinearity? First one is AB plus BC equal to CA. So by distance formula, you can easily prove that AB plus BC equal to CA. If AB plus BC equal to CA, these 3 points are collinear. So second condition is area of a triangle equal to 0. If the area of the triangle is equal to 0, then we call these 3 points are collinear. So it is also very easy comparatively the first condition. Why? Here we are taking the 3 distance formulas and find the 3 values by using the distance formula. So here only we are apply the only one formula, that is area of the triangle. So these 2 are very easy to prove the collinearity. So here we are taking the 3 points. For example, if the 3 points are collinear, find the value of k. If 3 points are collinear, find the value of k. It is also important. One more question it is, the given 3 points are, example, the given 3 points are 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4, 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4, and 2 comma minus 5, and 2 comma minus 5. These 3 points are given collinear. These are collinear points. Find the value of k value. You have to find the k value. How it is? By using the first condition, AB plus BC equal to AC. We can't find out the k value easily. By using the second condition, area of the triangle equal to 0. By using this condition, you can easily find out the k value. So here, area of triangle equal to 0. Collinear means we are taking the area of the triangle equal to 0. So what is the formula? Half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. So half means here x, substitute all the values in this formula. Half into x1 value 8, y2 minus 4, and y3 again minus 5, minus of minus 5, plus x2 value k here, y3 minus 5, y1 value minus 1, x3 value 2, y1 value 1, and y2 value is again minus 4. equal to 0. So here modulus of half will be, take the other side, it will be also 0. So 8 into minus plus 5, 5 minus 4, 1 here. So here k term is as it is like that. So k into minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 here. So 1 plus 4, 5. 2 into 5 equal to 0. So here modulus of 8 minus 6k plus 10 equal to 0. So 10 plus 8, 18. Modulus of 18 minus 6k equal to 0. So finally 18 minus 6k equal to 0. So 6k equal to 18. Therefore k value 18 by 6 equal to 3. K value equal to 3. So by using the area of the triangle formula, you can find the value of k. So if 3 points are given collinear, you have to take the area of the triangle equal to 0. By using this formula, you can find the k value. So this is the another model to prove the collinear points. Next one, Heron's formula. It is also separate model. This is also about area of the triangle. How can you find the area of the triangle? By using Heron's formula. It is 4 marks question in your examination. Very very important question. Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. So first of all, what is Heron's formula? It is also a separate formula. Heron's formula is area of a triangle ABC equal to, area of the triangle ABC equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Write the Heron's formula and describe the values S, A and B and C. This is also sometimes given for 1 mark question. Write the Heron's formula and describe about S value and A, B, C value. Here what is the S value? S means here semi-perimeter of a triangle. S means here semi-perimeter of a triangle. Suppose consider triangle ABC. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. x3 y3. So by using Heron's formula, how can you find the area of this triangle? S means here semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. Here A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. A, B, C are the sides. S equal to semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. A, B, C are the sides. Sides means length of the sides. So length of the sides. What is A and what is B and what is C in this triangle ABC? Here how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. A, B, B, C and AC. So what is the A value? Here the side opposite to the vertex A. The side opposite to the vertex A is called small a. The side opposite to the vertex B is small b. The side opposite to the vertex C is small c. So here AB equal to C, BC equal to A and AC equal to B. Okay? AB equal to C, BC equal to A and AC equal to B. Perimeter of the triangle is here A plus B plus C. The sum of all the sides is called perimeter of a triangle. Here S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. AB value C, BC value small a and AC value small b. So if 3 points are given, how can you find the area of a triangle? By using Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula. For example, 3 points are like this: 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 4. These are the 3 points of a triangle ABC. So here this is A, B and C. A 1, 2, B 3, 5 and C 6, 4. So apply the Heron's formula. Here first you have to find the values of S value and A, B, C values. So this is A value, this is B and this is C. So find the distance value of BC. What is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by using this formula you can find the values of A and B and C. So 6 minus 3, 3 square plus 4 minus 5 minus 1 square means 1. So here 9 plus 1 root 10. So BC value you got, AC value you got. AC value equal to BC value A, AC value equal to B, finally AB value equal to A. So by using this formula you can easily find out the 3 values. What about S value? S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Find the sum of all the 3 values and divide with 2, you got the S value. Substitute all the values in this formula: square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute all the values in this formula, you got easily the answer. Okay. I will give the notes for it. I have also homework for you. There is a homework for you. Okay. The next topic is area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral. Suppose this is a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. How many vertices are there? Here it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, it is x4, y4. How can you find the area of a triangle? For this one also you have a separate formula, but it is very lengthy formula. So we are using only area of the triangle formula to find the quadrilateral area. How can it is? Let us see here. Here it is a quadrilateral. It has 2 diagonals. Every diagonal divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Every diagonal divides the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. This is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. This is first triangle and this is the second triangle. First you have to find the area of the triangles, 2 triangles. Then add the 2 areas, you got the finally quadrilateral area. So here area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of what is the first triangle name? ABD triangle. Area of triangle ABD plus what is the name of the second triangle? BCD. BCD. Area of the triangle BCD. So by using only area of the triangle, you can easily find out the area of a quadrilateral. Okay. So here first A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and D x4 y4. By using these three coordinates, first you have to find the area of triangle ABD. By using x2 y2, x3 y3 and x4 y4, find out the value of area of triangle BCD. So let us see one example for this. -4 -2, -4 -2, -3 -5, -3 -5 and 3 comma -2, 3 comma -2. The last vertex is 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. If the coordinates are given like this, 4 vertices of a quadrilateral is given like this, how can you find the area of a quadrilateral? So here we are taking A -4 -2, A, B, C, D suppose. Here A -4 -2, B -3 -5. C value 3 comma -2, 3 comma -2. D value 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. So first find the area of triangle ABD. So area of triangle ABD equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substitute all the values in this equation, in this formula. Here x1 value -4 into y2 -5 -3 plus x2 into -3 into y3 minus y1. y3 here 3, y1 -2. So 3 minus of -2 plus x3 into 2 into y1 value -2, y2 value -5, minus of -1. So here half modulus of -8 -3 into 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 into -2 plus 5 3. By simplify this, -4 -8 -8 4s are 32 -15 plus 6. So half into modulus of -32 -15 -47 plus 6. So -47 plus 6 value -41. So half into -41. So it is nothing but always we are taking positive value. Area should be positive. So 41 by 2 square units. Area is always in square units. Okay. So here we got the first triangle area. By using this formula, you can easily find out the second triangle. Area of triangle. What is the name of this? BCD. Substitute the values in area of the triangle formula. Here x1 is, these 3 points you have to take. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. x1 means -3 into y2 minus y3, -2 -3. Again plus x2 into 3 into y3 minus y1, 3 minus of -5 plus x3 into 2 into y1 minus y2, -5 minus of -2. Here after simplification you got the second triangle area value. Okay. So here area of triangle BCD equal to half into modulus of -3 into -5 plus 3 into 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2 into minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. So half into minus 15, 24 minus 6. So half into 15, 24, 39 minus 6, 33. So it is 33 by 2 square units. First one is 41 by 2, second one is 33 by 2. So here finally you have to find the area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to first value plus second value. First value plus second value. First value 41 by 2, second value 33 by 2. So 74 by 2. So it is 37 square units. So here the area of the quadrilateral is 37 square units.